Kung freelancer ka sa Upwork, malamang natanong mo na rin ito. Saan ba talaga mas sulit mag-withdraw ng earnings, direct to local bank, o via Wise using direct to US bank? Let's say magwi-withdraw ka ng $1,000. Option 1, Upwork, direct to local bank. Sa direct to local bank, may withdrawal fee na $0.99. So from $1,000, ang may iwan ay $999.01. Using Upwork exchange rate na 57.77 pesos per dollar, ang papasok sa local bank mo ay 57,712 pesos and 81 centavos. Option 2. Upwork, Wise, local bank. From Upwork to Wise, zero withdrawal fee. Pero from Wise to your local bank, may $7.02 transfer fee. So ang mako-convert ay $992.98. Using Wise higher exchange rate na 58.8960 pesos per dollar, ang final amount mo ay 58,482 pesos and 55 centavos. So which is better? Wise gives you 769 pesos and 74 centavos more compared sa direct to local bank. Pero, what about the speed? Upwork to local bank, same day or next day. Upwork to Wise, next business day, around 10 p.m. onwards. Then real-time transfer na from Wise to PH Bank, or e-wallet. Take note, delays usually happen lang pag Friday withdrawal, or may US holidays. So kung maliit lang ang amount around $500 or less, okay na ang direct to local bank, lalo na kung priority mo ang bilis. Pero kung mas malaking amount, $1,000 or more, dahil sa mas mataas na exchange rate, mas malaki ang take-home pay kay Wise. Kung gusto mong gumawa ng Wise account, may referral link ako sa description, para ma-waive ang fee sa first transfer mo.